Just for my money. Just for my money. Just for my money. Just for my money.
You been knocked out already. What's a rap for me?
Alright, hold on. I gotta put this on. This is what I rap.
How much is 15 more? You got what you needed from that. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Big rap?
Maybe you do.
Huh?
Big rap?
Yep.
How could you know?
You want to rap battle, man?
Yeah.
Don't rap shit.
You go rap first.
You rap first.
Alright. Let's go. Alright. Make a beat.
Are you
Make a
serious?
beat.
Make a beat.
Yeah.
We've had this conversation 100 times. You know.
Yeah, that's
I'm
good.
not doing this again. You tell me what you did.
I'm fighting everybody and I know because I'm really cool and nobody can go solo. And I'm really about to drive because I got a car and I don't even know what I do that little more. Doing robot style. Anybody do it because I'm reaching it now. Nobody can tell me because I got a car. Somebody gets stuck and I know how to mark. When you get stuck in the car, you can't do nothing bad because you are the driver. I don't even care because I got $5, but it's in my car because I don't like it. I want my look mad because I want my stuff back and nobody tell me because I want it back and I don't like it because nobody tell me that.
What you doing with that gun on your hip? Are you the police, man? You need to snatch that off your hip, cause you ain't arresting nobody. Nigga, round here. Nigga, I snatch that motherfucker off your... Give me that.
Your turn.
Said that was a rap. So we ate it up.
Yeah.
Your turn.
Said you ready for this? Said I ain't got too much. Said but I can spit a verse or two. Let you know something. If you out here hustling, you gotta get it. So let's bubble. Said 9 times out of 10, these niggas telling they ain't my friends. They supposed to be my homies, but nigga I'm trying to get in. But the price is too high, so I'm a bubble anyway. So I'm fucking with horses doing this shit every day. Said a real gritter. Said if you can get it, you can get it. Said fuck with it. We in these streets with my people. Said doing what we gotta do to survive. Said putting money in your hand. Said nigga I'm from Trey 9. Said a hustler. Said been like this and been in the hood. Yep, been on some gangster shit. They ain't even know.
That's why you lost your gun. That's why you can't find it. Cause you done had no money to really go and buy it.
Let's go.
Go for
Let's
it.
go. Let's go. You can't talk about nothing. I'm not bragging like a mom. Mama is a lie. She can't rap like mom. You can't rap. This is the trade me down because I rap. You can't rap nothing because you don't know how. Baby can do nothing because he look like a grandpa. He can't do nothing because he can't do nothing because he